ultra-fast hitters. Let's start off with our team captain, number 3, Suzanne Roses. At number 1, our conference's best setter, Ruby De Leon. Wearing jersey number 5, Gretchel Soltones. At number 6, our conference's best middle blocker, Jaja Santiago. At number 14, Maria Rosario Charo Soriano. And at number 2, our best outside spiker and conference MVP, Eliza Valdez. Libero, number 7, Leslie Ann Pantone. Head coach, Mr. Roger Gorayev. Presenting our Lady Troopers of the Philippine Army, Christine Agno. Head coach, Staff Sergeant Rico De Guzman. This is game 2 of the finals for the gold. Good luck to both teams.
Staff Sergeant Rico De Guzman and his team ready to do battle here. We're giving away free volleyballs to everybody here enjoying the Shakey's Wheel League game. What a day for volleyball.
Oh yes, alam mo, ito hindi masasabi mo na kahit sino manalo.
Oh, at we have
fans talaga, tayo lahat ang nag-enjoy at panalong-panalo.
Quality players on the floor. Boy, we were dancing with Gretchen Sultones earlier today. Sabi siya, pag nagkanak akong babae, yan
Oo, palagay ko.
Yan ang and Eliza looks all pumped up. You had mentioned Charo Soriano earlier. Charo will be starting off.
Agad-agad, ano?
Yeah, I think they need her leadership as well. So that's right. Front line and back line, meron silang leadership. But I like the energy of Army as well. Sabi nila. Here we go. Underway with your first set. Eliza with the early attack. Kept alive by Agno. And on the other side, it is kept alive by Eliza. Drexel, her slingshot stab. Reverse set. Attack. Down. And first point belongs to Army.
And Gonzaga. Ayun na naman. Nahulog na naman si Gonzaga. But still getting the point.
This crowd is noisy and we hope kayong lahat dyan nakapag-enjoy na ng masarap na tanghalian. Nag-i-enjoy ngayon ng inyong masarap na dessert na volleyball.
And what I like about the volleyball fans, alam mo, they recognize good players eh. Kahit let's say may kakampi sila sa kakampi nila yung ibang team na to. Pero pag ina-announce natin yung ibang mga pangalan sa kabilang side, pumapalakpak pa rin sila yung chini-cheer pa rin nila yung player.
In recognition of the talent and the drive of each player, that's why cheering for a national team is important as well. And we wish the national team, whoever finally will make it, and we do have a team, we hope they do well. Valdez is wanted, kept alive by Charo Soriano's coverage. Roses, it's down on the floor, goes Tina Salak. Drop. Jeveline Gonzaga, who played well in game number 1. Gretchen Soltones hammers it. Agno says, no way. Here comes Santiago Malabac long.
And trying to ask for a check, but that's a long one from Manabat. She was in their best position. Actually, hindi na maganda yung approach niya.
Sabi ni Noel, si Mrs. Manabat. To differentiate daw from Dinbin Jaja on the other side. Come on!
Manabat na nga, tsaka sa chop.
Oo. Samantala, Gretchen Soltones, her serve. Whoa. Reverse set by Tina Salak.
Tina Salak has been going to Jovelyn Gonzaga at the start of this set.
And Eliza Valdez gets on the board and equalizes the count at 2 apiece.
Oh, ang sexy mo. Kasi Ali daw. Totoo naman.
Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's Wheel League. Glad you're with us, Monsieur Davena, and yours truly, Seb Sarmento and Rina Villamor, taking care of your live coverage here on GMA News TV. Army gets the point as that serve went into the net.
And I expect both teams to go all out. Pero ang magiging importante dito how they are able to minimize their errors and execute their attacks.
Efficiency, which Army typified in game 1. In the meantime, Charo Soriano using her smarts, allowing that to bounce out. We're tied at 3.
That's what Charo Soriano brings to PLDT. Yung leadership inside, yung maturity niya inside, And she's able to manage her teammates.
Balse down the middle.
Oh,
No, it didn't climb over. It didn't climb over. Hindi tumama eh. Jess Villarreal made the pointed in the wrong direction of his first goal. Watch this. At palo niya kasi,
sa tape ng net eh. Oh, right,
hindi
right.
tumama sa tao eh. So Army in an early celebration, however, the call went against them. It is 4-3 in favor of PLDT. Regalo!
Soriano, once again getting another point off a gift.
Regalo, kung hindi pa kayo sanay sa volleyball, regalo, pag lumutang yan sa net, over an overset, lumutang nicely dyan, pwede mo hampasin yan. Hindi mo na kailangan i-3 tosses yan. Here's the attack, and the defense. PLDT's defense much tighter today.
That's right. There's a block point from PLDT.
You can only imagine what they worked on in the last practice that they had. Army had more blocks in game 1, 8-6. Dakis, Balse misses. Ruby De Leon was there. Too close to the net. Valdez tries to make do. And Ruby De Leon can't get it to climb up.
And partner, did you see that 3-man block for Alyssa Valdez? Mukhang yan ang pinagandaan ng Philippine Army.
And Rico de Guzman was quoted in the papers. He said, they are going to watch Alyssa Valdez. No question about it. Why not? You should. Rachel Landak is waiting for the right moment to serve. Lets it fly. In the meantime, Ruby did a tough set. Tough set.
That's right.
Tough
Ang
set.
hirap ng set na yun. But it was really a good play kung na-convert. But Alyssa Valdez sends it into the net.
Because the defense was already thrown out completely. It's just that Alyssa was too under the ball and had no space to operate in. In the meantime, Rachel Andakis will reserve. Lakas. This was the problem of Army in game 1.
Yung errors talaga has been, kumbaga may water luma ng Army. Yung ang daming errors per game.
Wasted serves. It's not really the ball handling. It's more of the serve. But you're totally uncontested, unmolested. You have enough time to be able to do it. 8 seconds got ruled. In the meantime, the serve looked wild but kept in the air by Manabat. Here comes Tubino. Too tough. One-handed set. Blocked. Tubino. Partially blocked. Rexel Sultanes. And the whistle goes against Army. It's another reach against Tubino.
That's right, because si Ruby De Leon went for a set. Tubino reached out on the other side.
And it's the first technical timeout, but we'll hold on to the air. Let's try to listen in to any side, actually. You know, Sasha Torres and Tin Agno, they look like twins in that particular shot. The two good liberos. That's the place to go to for our updates, GMA International. And completing our team is Rina Villamor.
Yes, no doubt PLDT Humolterra will bounce back in today's ball game. And what's important for them for today is mental toughness. Katulad ng sabi sa kanila ni Coach Roger Correa, being here in the finals is 80% of a mind game. Dahil hindi naman daw sila makakapasok dito sa finals kung hindi sila matalino maglaro. Now, 3 things important for them: to focus on their defense, minimize their unwanted errors, and more importantly, be ready to defend any of the Lady Troopers. Kasi nga, aminado sila na nag-concentrate lang sila during their last game dito kay Dindin Santiago at kay Jovelyn Manabat Gonzaga, without expecting na gagawa din pala doon si Nene Bautista. And Coach Roger said that they have to make an extra effort to extend the series here. Not because they want to satisfy their clean state here, but because they want to satisfy the effort, yung pinaghirapan nila para dito sa conference na ito. 7 Mozi?
Well said, Rina. That's exactly the attitude PLDT should take. Better defensive alertness by PLDT today, but they were not in that spot. It is currently 9-6.
Yeah, the smarts there working for Philippine Army, our Lady Troopers. Alam mo, every point pinaghihirapan
Yes, I
dalawang
agree.
kupunan.
Yung Mikasa official ball ng Shakey's Billy talaga binubugbog ng parehong kupunan.
Ay,
Ano?
bugbog.
Buti lang, matibay. Ruby. Up, may touch. I would call...
sumabit.
Yep. Sa ilalim ng galing. Tina Salak doesn't like the call. Neither does Sergeant Rico de Guzman, the coach. But it's tumama sa net si Tobino eh. Watch.
Let's take a look at this again.
You know, sabit na sabit eh. 10-6. Regalo. Hindi lang naupakan. Ngayon naupakan.
Naibalik kasi ni Ging. Naibalik niya on the first ball. That's why, siyempre si Jaja Santiago, she's waiting for it. Getting the point on the second try.
11-6 is the count here. Valdez in her serve. Tina Salak from Milyonov. It is outside. Tina is frustrated. She can't get a call.
They were asking for a check. Pero not awarded.
And Tina Salak is livid.
Yes.
She's the only person who can actually complain. In the meantime, a timeout requested, maybe rightfully so, to calm them down.
That's right.
Well, hang on to the Athena is just fuming here. Let's listen to Rico de Guzman. Well, can you imagine the pressure this team is under to deliver today?
Yes. That is right. And obviously, both teams. Let's take a look at this once again.
Ito yung Tina eh.
Oo, na sinasabi niyang check.
Double check here.
Better angle.
Tingin mo, honestly.
Very close eh.
Ah.
Kasi alam mo yung check na yan, kahit the please lang eh.